BabyTales.
Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to embark on a colorful journey as we draw and color a cute cartoon parrot. Get ready to add some tropical vibes to your artwork. Let's begin by sketching the outline of our cartoon parrot. Picture its round body, fluffy feathers, and distinctive beak. Use light strokes to map out the basic shapes and proportions. Remember, we're aiming for a fun and playful look. Now, let's add some personality to our parrot. Sketch in the eyes, wings, tail feathers, and any other features you'd like to include. Feel free to get creative with them. Expressions and poses, after all, this is your parrot, and anything goes in cartoon land. Time to bring our parrot to life with color. Choose vibrant hues that reflect the beauty of tropical birds' bright greens, bold blues, and sunny yellows. Don't be afraid to mix and match colors to create a truly eye-catching palette. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to draw a cartoon parrot. It's all about having fun and letting your creativity soar. So, don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. have it, our colorful cartoon parrot, ready to brighten up any day. We've transformed a blank page into a whimsical world of feathers and fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your creativity continue to soar like our parrot friend.